Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is today's daily challenge on Leetcode. Let us see what the question is. So here it is body string, and let us read what the question tell us. Given two string s and goal, return true if you can swap two letters in s, so the result is equal to goal. Otherwise, return false. So basically, we have to swap two letters of a particular string s, so that the resultant string become goal. Okay, so for example we have ab, it is s, and ba is goal. Okay, so what we can do, we have to do only one operation of swapping. We have to swap two characters of this string s, and the resulting string should be another string which is goal. Okay, so let us do one thing. What we can do, we can swap first and second letter of string s, and what we will get after swapping this, what we will get is b and a. Okay, so after performing this operation of swapping, we will get b and a. So you can see that b a is equal to goal. So yeah, after performing one operation we are getting goal, so we will return true in this case. Okay, so you can see true here. Now let us see for another case when S and goal both are same. Like S is equal to AB and goal is also equal to AB. But they have asked us to perform one operation, and we have to perform one operation. Okay, so we have to perform one operation in S. So when we swap two characters of this string, the resultant string will be nothing but B A. And you can see that after performing one operation, the resultant string is not equal to goal. So you can see that this string is not equal to goal. So in this case we need to return false. And for the last case, you can see that both string are same, and in this case we can do swapping in both characters, and the resultant will be a, and you can see that it is equal to goal. So overall conclusion after watching all these three cases is that if both string are initially equal, like in this case AB and AB, so both string are initially equal, so in this case we have to check that whether any character is repeating or not. So if we have a character which is repeating, we can swap those characters, and the resultant will be as same as that of s. Like if we have, you can see that in this case we have a is repeating in this case, and we can swap a and a. So basically after swapping same character there will be no change. So after performing one operation of swapping, we will not find any kind of change. And if we don't want change, because initially the both strings are same, so if we don't want change, we can just simply swap both elements and we'll get our answer. Okay, so in this way you can see that if both string are equal, so there must be at least one character whose frequency is more than one, or any one character should be repeated. Okay, and in this case both string are same initially, and you can see that there is no character which is repeating, and due to this reason we cannot perform any swapping, so that the resultant string will be equal to goal. So basically we will write for this case. Okay, you can see that what if when length of s is equal to 1. So if we have length of s is equal to 1, we cannot perform any kind of operation, and hence we will return false. So if s dot size equal to 1, what we will do, we will simply return false. Okay, uh, wait, okay, I not equal to this. So if we have s is equal to 1, actually it will not be in the case, but here they are given in constant, so I will take. So if s dot size, if the size of s is 1, then we will return false, because we cannot perform swapping in this case. So I will write here, uh, because we can't perform swapping in this case. Okay, and if s is equal to goal, our first case, So what I've asked that there should be at least one repeating character. Okay, so to find this we can insert all the characters of size s, string s in a set, and if size of set is not equal to size of that string s, then we can say that there is a particular character which is repeating. That's why size of set is not equal to size of whole. So we will take a set of character and it will be st, and what we'll do, we will insert all element of string s in this st. So we will insert all element of string s in this st, and we will check whether that st dot size is not equal to s dot size or not. Okay, so we will simply return st dot size not equal to s dot size. If this is possible, then our answer will be true, otherwise we will get false. Okay, another example what we can do, we have to do swapping. Okay, and for this you can see that there must be exactly two positions where characters are different in both pools. Okay, both string. Okay, so I will write here there should, you can see that they have asked to perform one operation. So one operation has to be performed and in different indexes. You can see that I is not equal to j. So we have to perform swapping in different indexes. So at least two positions are should be there where characters in both string are not same. Like you can see that in this first zeroth position character in both string is not same, and in this first position character is also not same. So you can see that there should be only two positions. Okay, so we will count number of positions where both string has different character. Okay, so basically it should be two only. So what we will do, first we will count how many positions are there. Okay, so for this what we'll do, we will iterate in for loop. Okay, and what we'll do that count plus is equal to s of I not equal to, and what we'll do, yeah, goal of I. Okay, so if count is not equal to 2, if we don't get two positions, then we will return false because we will not get answer corresponding to this. Also we have to do one thing, that if s dot size is not equal to goal dot size. If sizes are different, we can perform any operation, but answer will be different. You can see that if there is only one character in goal and two character in s, so whatever operation you can perform, we will not get s resultant string is equal to goal. So here you have to take care about this case also. So basically, I am going to write if s dot size is not equal to gold dot size, we will return false. Okay, so basically we have done with this. If we don't get two positions, so we will return false, and if we get two positions, we will find those positions and we will perform swapping on those positions, and we will check whether the resultant string and goal is same or not. So basically I'm going to find two positions. Let's the position are position 1 is equal to -1 and position 2 is equal to -1. So we will iterate in for loop, and if s of I is not equal to goal of I, we will simply equate pos 1 is equal to I, and then we will break. And for next pos, we will basically iterate our for loop from next position, position next to position 1. So pos 1 plus 1, and I less than s dot size I plus plus, and if s of I is not equal to goal of I, we will get pos 2 is equal to I, and basically we will break the loop. So we will so here we have found pos 1 and pos 2. Okay, so we will perform swapping in pos 1 and pos 2. So after swapping as of pos 1 and as of pos 2, if the strings are equal, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. Okay, so let us see whether our code works or not. So yeah, you can see that these cases are passing. Let us type for more cases. Yeah, all cases are passing. So you can see that how it is solved. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can see a solution for this question, which will be provided in description. And if you like my solution, you can like my video. And again, I will explain this again, that if size of string is one, we cannot perform any swapping. That's why our answer is false. If both strings are initially same, so we have to check, if both strings are initially same, then we have to check whether there is a repeating character or not. If there is a repeating character, you can return true. Okay, one stands for true, and if there is no repeating character, the answer will be false, so 0. So basically I have written that case also. If st dot size is not equal to s dot size, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. Okay, and if after that, if size of both strings are different, perform we may perform any operation, but after any kind of operation we will not get both strings same, so we will directly return false here. And after that, we will check whether the positions where both strings have different character is equal to 2 or not. So there should be two positions corresponding to it, so I have counted those positions. So if the position is not equal to 2, if they are less than 2 position or more than 2 position, we will return false. And otherwise we will find those positions and we will perform swapping on those positions. And if after swapping both strings are same, then we will return true, otherwise we will return false. So I hope you understood my solution. It will help you. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.